Welcome back to my channel Plan and Dimensions. Friends, in this video, let us discuss 2 BHK and 1 BHK units with parking for rental purpose in 1000 square feet. Friends, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please watch my other videos by clicking I button on right top of my screen. Please watch this video till the end. We have a plot size 45 feet towards east, 42 feet 6 inches towards west, 27 feet towards north and 27 feet towards south. We have a built-up area of 25 feet by 40 feet 11 inches as gajaya. Since our plot is facing south. In ground floor, we have planned for parking. Very spacious area. Main entry gate towards southeast. We have a shop in southwest. Once we climb the steps, from the stairs we reach a very spacious area to move around to our different units. Towards northeast, we have 2 BHK unit. Main door facing east. Opposite to this main door, we have a small puja. Kitchen 8 feet 6 inches by 5 feet 6 inches. Towards northeast, we have living 10 feet by 13 feet. From living, we have a door to balcony towards northeast. We move towards northwest. We have bedroom number 1, 8 feet 6 inches by 9 feet. Towards southwest of this unit, we have bedroom number 2, measuring 12 feet by 9 feet. For this 2 bedroom, we have a common toilet in northwest, 4 feet 6 inches by 5 feet 6 inches. Now again, from the stairs towards right, we have unit number 2, 1 BHK, main door facing north. From main door, we have a very spacious space, living 9 feet by 14 feet 2 inches. This area we can utilize as foyer to entertain guests. We have kitchen 5 feet by 9 feet 5 inches. From kitchen towards northeast, we have puja 5 feet by 4 feet. Towards southwest, we have bedroom 9 feet by 9 feet 5 inches. And for this bedroom, we have attached toilet 9 feet by 4 feet. Friends, this is a typical floor plan. We have structurally designed for ground plus 4 floors with 4 numbers 2 BHK unit and 4 numbers 1 BHK unit for rental purpose. Friends, I hope this plan will be useful for you. Please subscribe, like and get notified for my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video. Let us meet in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.